Hello class 8, welcome back. In the previous video we learned about what square roots and how to find the square root of number using prime factorization method. Today in this video we will see how to find the square root of numbers by using long division method, which is a very important method. Recall that the square root of a number is the number which when multiplied by itself gives that number. So here let's find out the number which when multiplied by itself gives 25. Now this is 5 because we know that 5 into 5, that means 5 multiplied by itself. So 5 into 5 is 25. So the square root of 25 is 5. Okay, now square root of 9. Now this 9 is given by 3 multiplied by itself. So the square root of 9 will be 3. And the square root of 16. Now this 16 is 4 into 4. So we say that the square root of 16 is 4. So this is what we have learned in the previous videos. And also we have learned how to find the square root of different numbers using prime factorization method. But today in this video we're not going to go into that again. We will see the long division method. Here in this question 3, the question says find the square root of the following numbers using long division methods. So this is long division method. Now I'm going to show you how to do this, how to find the square root of numbers, different numbers using using long division method. So the first number we have here is 1369. 1369. Now in this method, the first thing you have to do is you will pair up the digits in the number. So here we have 4 digits, 1 2 3 4. Now this is 9 is the last digit, that is 9 is the digit in the units place, ones place. So you're going to pair up starting from the last digit, starting from the digits in the ones place. So now 1 2, so we're going to give par on top of this, and here again 1 2 and then par here. So the first thing you have to do is you will pair up the digits starting from the last digits, so 1 2, and place par over it, and here again 1 2 and then par over this. And the next step is you have to consider this first par, the digits, the number formed by these 2 digits below this first par. Now below this first par we have 13, so this is 13. Now you have to think and search for a number to write here. So there is a condition, whatever you write here you have to write the same number here. Let's say for example, let me write here 4. Now if I have written here 4, then I have to write here again 4. So whatever number I have written here, that same number I have to write here. So now 4 4s are 16. But this is 13 and what we got here is 16. So 16 is too big. So we cannot take 4. So what you will do is you will take a smaller number. Or instead of taking 3, let us see what happens if I take 2. Instead of taking 3, let's see what will happen if I take 2 here, 2. Then 2 2s are 4. Now this you will get here 9. Now again this is 13 and this is 4. Now this is too small. This is too small. So 3 will be our right number. 4 is too big and 2 is too small. So what you will do now is you will write 3. So let's write 3. So now we're going to write 3 here. 3. Now since we have written here 3, here also we have to write 3. Now 3 3s are 9. Now the remainder is 4. Now for the next step, you will add this one and this one. So you have to add 3 and 3. That is the next step. So 3 plus 3, you can write here. 3 plus 3 is 6. This 3 is this one. Now let's take down the number formed by the digit in the next bar. So this one we will take down now. We will take down this one, 69. 69. Now again, you have to choose a number here, and whatever you have written here, that same number you have to write here. So let's say so let's try with 7. Then if we write here 7, then we have to write here again 7. So don't forget, whatever you write here, you have to write the same number here. So since we have written 7 here, you have to write here again 7. So 67 into 7. This 67 into 7. Now 67 into 7. 67 into 7. So 7 7s are 49, 4 in hand. 7 6 are 42, 46. So we are getting 469 here. So here this is 469. So 7 is the right number. So 7 here, then 7 here. Now 67 into 7 is 469. Now the remainder is 0. So what we got here is 37. Now this 37 is the square root of this number. That means if 37 multiplied by itself, that is 37 into 37, that is 37 square, then you will get this one, 1369, 1369. So you will write here, therefore square root of 1369 is equal to 37. Now let's see the next one. The next number is 91809. Roman number 2, 91809. 91809. 91809. Now again, the first thing you have to do is you will pair up the number. You will pair up the digits in this number. So you have to start from the last digit, that is the digits in the ones place. So here our last digit is 9. So 1 2. Here this is one pair. Again 1 2, and this is another pair. Now this now we have only 9 here. So we have only one digit. So for this we just give par on top of it. Now next step is you will consider the first par. Okay, here the first par, the digit below the first par is 9. Now we have 9 here. So now you have to think a number to write here. Here this is 9, so we can simply write here 3, and whatever we have written here, we have to write it up here. So 3 3s are 9. Now 9 minus 9 is 0. Next is 3 plus 3. You have to add these two numbers. So here 3 plus 3 is 6. So you can write here 3 plus 3. This 3 is this one. 3 plus 3 is 6. Now after this, you will take down the digits below the next par. Here in this par we have 18. 18 Now this is 6. Now there is one thing here. Listen very carefully now. If I write here 1, then I have to write here 1. Now 61 into 1 is 61. Now here you can see that this 61 is much bigger than 18. So even if we write here 0 or 1, here we're getting much bigger number than 18. So in this case, what you will do is you will take down the next par, that is the digits in the next par. So in the next par we have 0, 9. So you will take down here 0, 9. So what we have done here is we have taken down 2 times, that is this 1, 8 and 0, 9 at a time. So for that you have to write here 0. Since you have taken down 2 par at a time, the digits in 2 pars at a time, here 18 and 0, 9, you have to write here 0, here also 0. Now next is we have to think a number to write here. Now the last digit is here 9, so we will try with 3, because we know that 3 3s are 9. So here we have to get 9. So let's try with 3. Now 3 3s are 9. So we have to multiply 6, 0, 3 and 3. 6, 0, 3 and 3. Now 3 3s are 9. 3 zeros are 0. 3 6 are 18. So we have here 1809. So 3 is the right number. 3 is the right number here. 1809. So you will try with different numbers here until and unless you get the right number. So first we tried with 7, but 7 is found to be very big, much bigger than with 809. So we tried with 3, because we know that 3 3s are 9, so we will be getting 9 here if we write 3. So 603 into 3 is 1809, which is the right number. So this is the square root of this number, which means 303 multiplied by itself, that is 303, you will get this one. So therefore square root of 91809 is equal to 303. So this is the answer for this. Now let's see this Roman number 4, this one. 603729. 603729. 603729. Now here again we will pair up the digits starting from the last digit, that is the digits in the ones place. So 1 2 here and place par over it, and then again 1 2 here, again 1 2 here. Now next is we will consider the first par, that is number below this par is 60. So we have 60 here. So now we will think of a number to write here. Now supposing let's take a big number, let's say 9. Then if we take 9, then we have to write here 9. Then 9 9s are 81. This is too big, because this is 60 and what we got is 81. So this is too big. 9 is too big. Then you will try with 8. 8 8s are 64. This is also too big. Then this is also too big. So 7 must be the right number. So 7 must be the right number. So let's try with 7 here. 7 7s are 49. 7 sevens are 49. 7 is the right number because we have tried with 8. 8 8s are 64. This is only 60, so 8 is too big. So that is why we are taking this 7 now. 7 sevens are 49. Now 10 minus 9 is 1. 5 minus 4 is 1. Now let's add this two numbers, 7 and 7. So plus 7 you can write here. This 7 is nothing but this one. So 7 plus 7 is 14. So now we will take down the next par, the digits in the next par. The digit in the next par is 37. So we will take down 37 here. Now this is 1137 and we have 14 here. Now again we have to think of a number to write here. So this is a big number, so we will try with let's try with 6. Okay, 6. So 1 4 6 into 6. 6 6 are 36, 3 and n. 6 4s are 24, 25, 26, 27, 2 in hand, 6 1s are 6, 7, 8, 876. This seems to be small, so we will try with bigger number. So if we write here 7, then we have to write here again 7. So 147 into 7. 147 into 7. So 7 sevens are 49, 4 in hand, 7 4s are 28, 32, 3 and n, 7 1 7, 10, 1029. Again, if you think that this is still small, then we can try with 8 again. So we'll try with 8. 148 into 8. Now 8 8s are 64, 6 and n, 8 4s are 32, 38, 3 and n, 8 1s are 8, 9 10 11. Now this is 1184, which is too big, and 6 is too small, 8 is too big, so 7 is the right number. So what we're going to do is we will write 7 here. So this is 7. Here's 7. So 147 into 7 is 1029. 1029. Now 17 minus 9 is 8. And then 1 borrowed already, so we have 2 here. 2 minus 2 is 0. And 1 minus 0 is 1. So now the remainder is 108. Now again here, this is the last number that you wrote here. Now this 7 and this 147 again you have to add. So this one and this one. So you write down here again 7. So 7 plus 7 is 14, 1 in hand, 5, 1. So now we have 154. Okay, let me tell you again. Here we have 147 and we have here 7 in the last place. So this is 7 and here we have 147. So this one and the last one you have to keep on adding at each of the step, at the beginning of each of the step. So in this step we are adding this 147 with this last one here, last, not the whole thing but only this 7. So 147 plus 7 here, then you will get here 14, 1 in hand, 4 plus 1 is 5, and then 1. After that you will, let's take down this next par. So next par is the digits in the next par is 2 9s. So here we will write here 2 9. Now again, like we did in the previous step, we will find out again what number to write here. Remember, whatever you write here, you have to write here again. So now here the last digit is 9. So let's try with again 7, because 7 sevens are 49. So if we write here 7, then we have to write here 7. So let's try with this 1547 into 7. 154, 154, 7 into 7. 7 sevens are 49, 4 and n. 7 fours are 28, 32, 3 and n. 7 fives are 35, 38, 3 and n. 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7, plus 3 is 10. So we have here 10829, 10829, which is exactly this number. So that means our number is going to be 7 here. So 7. So we have here 10829. Now the remainder is 0. So this is our square root for this number. So we'll write here, therefore square root of 603,729 is equal to 777. We have 2313441. 2313441. Okay, let's see this Roman number 6. Question number 3, Roman number 6. 2313 2313,441. Okay, so 2313,441. Now the first step is to pair up the digit in the given number. So we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 digits here in this number. So we will again pair up starting from the digits in the ones place. That means the last digit. So 1 2 and place par over it. 1 2 place par over it. 1 2 place par over it. Now there is only one digit here, 2. So what you will do is just place a bar over this one digit. Now in the next step, you will consider this first bar, the number in below the first bar. So we have 2. After that, you have to think of a number to write here. Now if I write here 2, then I have to write here 2. Whatever you write here, you have to write the same number here too. So if I write here 2, then 2 2s are 4. This is too big already. This is too big already. So it has to be 1. It has to be 1. So 1 1s are 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1. Next is we will add this 2. So 1 plus 1. So you can write here 1 plus 1. This one is 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. Next we will take down the digits below the next bar here. So we have 3 1. So we will take down here 3 1. So we're taking down this one. So this is 3 1. Now we will think of a number to write here again. Now this is 131. So we can try with 5, or we can try with 6. So first let's try with 5. So if we write here 5, then we have to write here again 5. So 25 into 5. 25 into 5. Now 5 5s are 25. 2 and n. 5 2s are 10. So we have here 12. So 125. Now if you try with 6, it will be too big. So we can see 2 6, then you have to write here 6. If you write here 6, then you have to write here 6. So 26 into 6. 26 into 6. 6 6 are 36. 3 and n. 6 2s are 12. Plus 3 is 15. So 156. This 156 is too big because we have only 131 here. So what we're going to take is we will take 5. So if you write here 5, then you have to write here 5. This is 5. So 5 here, 5 here. So 25 into 5 is 125. 125. Now again let's subtract. 11 minus 5 is 6. Now 1 borrowed already here, so now this is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. Now we have remainder only 6. Now here we have 25, and the last digit here is 5, so you will add 25 and 5. You will add 25 and 5. The last digit every time you have to add here in this number. So 25 plus 5, you can write here plus 5. So this 5 is this one. 5 plus 5 is 10. 1 in hand. 2, so we have 3. So 25 plus 5 is 30. Now let's take down the digits in the next bar. So the next bar we have 34. So let's take down this 34. So here 34. So we have 634. Now again we have to think and try to find out what number to write here. Let's try with 2. So if this is 2, then this must be also 2. If you have written here 2, we have to write here 2 again. So 302 into this 2. Now 2 2s are 4, 2 0, 2 3s are 6. Now we have 604. So this must be the right number. You can try with the bigger one. 303 into 3. If you write here 3, then you have to write here 3. So 3 3s are 9, 0, 3 3s are 6, 9. So 909, this is very big already. So we will take 2. This is 2 and this is 2. So 302 into 2 is 604. 4 minus 4 is now 0. And 3 minus 0 is 3. 6 minus 6 is 0. Now again we have 302 here, and the last digit is here. So at the beginning of each step you have to remember to add the previous divisor and the last digit here in the question. So here we have 302 and we have here 2, so you're going to write here plus 2. So this 2 is this one. Now 2 plus 2 is 4. This is 0. This is 3. Now again here inside we will take the next bar. So the number below the bar, the number formed by the digits below the bar is 41. So let's take down this 41 now. 41. We're taking down this 41. Now we have here 304 and here 3041. So if we write here 1, then we have to write here 1. So 3041 into 1, you will get here 3041. So this is the square root of this number. So therefore square root of 2313441 is equal to 1521. This is our answer. Now let's see one more question here. Let's see this Roman number 9. Okay, Roman number 9. Roman number 9 is 46656. 46656. 46656. 46656. No, 46656. Now again, the first step is to pair up the digits in this number, starting from this last digit, that is the digit in the ones place. So 1 2 like this, 1 2 like this, and then again we are left with only one digit, so you just give bar on this single digit. So now next is we will consider again this first bar. The digit in the first bar is 4. So now you can write here 2, because we know that 2 2s are 4. Whatever you write here, you have to write here. So 2 and 2 here. So 2 2s are 4. Now the remainder is 0. Now again you have to add this 2. So you write here this one here. So 2 plus 2 is 4. Now let's take down the number in the next bar. So is 66. Now this is 66 and we have here 4. Now if we write here 1, then we have to write here 1. If we write here 2, then we have to write here 2. Now if we write here 2, then it is too big already, because 42 into 2 is 84. So this is only 66. So we have to write 1. We have to take 1. So 41 into 1 is 41. Now 6 minus 1 is 5. 6 minus 4 is 2. Now here outside, this is 41 and the last digit is here 1. So you're going to add 41 and this last digit. So 41 and 1 here plus. So now 1 plus 1 is 2 and we have here 4. Now again inside we will take down this next bar, whatever digits are there below this bar. So now we have 56 here, 56. Now after that we will think of a number to write here. So this is the last digit here is 6. So we know that 6 6 are 36. So we can try with 6. Let's try with 6. Yeah. So if we write here 6, then we have to write here 6. So 426 into 6. 426 into 6. So 6 6 are 36, 3 in hand. 6 2s are 12, plus 3 is 15, 1 in hand. 6 4s are 24, 25. So we have 426 into 6, we're getting 2556, exact number, the same number we're getting. So our right number is 6 here. So this is 6. So 426 into 6 is 2556. Now the square root of 216 is the square root of 4665 is 216. So therefore square root of 46656 is equal to 216. Now we have more questions here. So what I want you to do is you try finding out the square root of all these numbers, and if there is any questions here which you have problem with, then you please let me know.